the combination weld. You're going to see on this test a combination weld, so it might be two different types of processes. The processes, again, GMAW, SAW, SMAW, something like that. Now, when you see this, the lower the symbol is the first one to go. Okay, so if I have symbols like this,
we really need some new markers.
Okay. That is going to indicate that first you're going to do a backing weld, sorry. Because a backing weld, that's applied first. Because it's dropped in the process, I do not have to indicate it's back or backing. Does that make sense? Because it's always backing if it's done first, correct?
So would that put the backing and the weld on the arrow side?
I would, yes, probably. I'm using that as an example. Yeah, you're right. Good call. You're a genius. Good call. Sorry. Okay? When you do that, that's a very good point. Both would have been on the arrow side. It would not have been able to be done. So now you can see it that way. If you start to see a symbol like this, okay, I've got, I'm going to come this way, go here, I'm going to have, and this is a pretty much indicator of one here. Alright? What do we have here? Let's set a whole one up. You're not gonna finish this. Okay, so what do you got? Alright, you got a double bevel.
30-degree bevels.
Both of them are 30 degree. 30 degree what? Groove angles.
They're 1/8 apart, I believe.
Yep.
And then it has to be flat when you're using it.
Okay, on the other side. How about on the arrow side? What is this? Field weld is right here. Okay? So what this is telling you, it's a bevel on the arrow side, 30 degree bevel. The groove angle is 30. 1/8 inch, because if it's split on one side, it's got to be split on the other. Flush, flat weld, secondary weld fillet. Okay? So that's fillet weld afterwards. Okay? How about this one? We'll go ahead and erase them as we go so I got some room. The double V, what's inside of there? Spacer, good. 60 degrees. The groove angle, opening. You'd have a spacer of 1/8. Okay, flat, and then machine. Looking on this arrow, this piece or this piece? X's or O's? Good. If you see a symbol like this, it's colored in, it's a melt through, V groove, okay? Good. Remember, any number on the left side is your groove depth. And if it is in parentheses, the weld size, or it's the depth of the depth of the weld. That's what they called it in there, right? Okay, but you know what I'm talking about. That's where you got the penetration involved. Okay. This one here, surface weld, 1/8 inch. Size of it's always to the left. Would you ever see something like this? Surface weld is always on the arrow side. Good. Difference between this one and this one? One's a box and one's a rectangle. Good. The box is a consumable insert, something put in there. And the rectangle is a backing plate. The backing plate is to be removed. It will say an R in it, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, boy,
You are?
I'm motion with the extra credit.
You think? You think?